curious about the exact words that could draw that special someone straight to you. Stick around, because a single powerful phrase might hold the secret to everything you've been hoping for. Once you begin using these words, you'll notice that the person on your mind will enter your life far sooner than you ever anticipated. Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I'm Emily, and I'm truly thankful that you've chosen to spend time with me today for another session where we'll be manifesting together. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a powerful affirmation that you can seamlessly incorporate into your daily routine. This straightforward yet impactful phrase will attract your special person into your life more quickly than you ever thought possible. The key is to trust in its power and embrace it with absolute confidence. As we've talked about in previous videos, it's crucial to adopt this affirmation as an absolute truth. Say it out loud, believe in it, and trust completely that it will manifest in your life. The result is certain. Once you dedicate yourself to it, there's no other outcome possible. The real power of this affirmation comes from how it anchors you to the outcome you want. It allows you to fully engage with the experience and connect with it on a deeper level. The more you concentrate on it, feel it, and reinforce it, the stronger the message you send to your subconscious. That's when you begin to witness it taking shape in your reality, right? The real strength of this affirmation isn't just in saying the words, but in wholeheartedly embracing it as your reality. Even if you don't notice instant shifts in your surroundings, it's irrelevant. The deeper your belief, the more you reinforce it, and the more you train your subconscious to accept it as fact, the quicker it will start to take form. Eventually, almost as if by magic, it will become a part of your life. It has no choice but to manifest. That's precisely how the process unfolds. Are you prepared to hear this powerful affirmation? You can repeat it as many times as you want during the day. There are no restrictions. Whether you're feeling low or riding high, just keep saying it. The more committed you are to this practice, the greater its impact will be. I assure you, by sticking to this affirmation, your special person will enter your life sooner than you ever thought possible. Here it is. Simply repeat this clear and powerful phrase. There's no doubt, my specific person is already mine. It's certain. It's already a reality. That's the absolute truth. How does saying that make you feel? I am absolutely certain that my specific person is already mine. It's destined. The result is guaranteed. Any doubts have completely disappeared. Aren't those words incredibly powerful? It's settled. End of story. There's no space for excuses or what ifs. None whatsoever. It's already a reality, completely finalized. Repeat that affirmation as many times as you want throughout the day, and really feel the energy behind it as you say it. The more conviction you have while speaking it, the faster it will come to life. Keep in mind, consistency is key. Don't let doubts creep in by constantly searching for signs around you. Stand firm in your belief, even if your current reality hasn't caught up yet. Focus only on the truth you affirm, the truth you embed deep into your subconscious. That's what truly counts. As Neville Goddard advises, repeat your affirmations so often and with such intensity that when you face the physical world, you're genuinely surprised it hasn't manifested yet. Your belief should be so strong that its absence feels out of place. That's the kind of certainty you need to cultivate within yourself. Repetition is crucial, isn't it? Keep reinforcing it. As Neville Goddard points out, in time, it will come to pass. There will be a moment when you catch yourself thinking, hold on, it's not here yet. How can that be? It's almost a lighthearted realization. The secret is to keep affirming it, and eventually, it will have no choice but to manifest in your physical world. That's just how the process unfolds. Move through your day with the unshakable belief that the affirmation you're repeating is a solid truth. Before long, you'll see it mirrored in your reality. Your special person will be by your side because, quite simply, it's destined. It's already decided. No doubts. End of story. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on manifesting and personal growth. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this powerful affirmation, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. Stay positive, stay focused, and may the rest of your day be overflowing with abundance and happiness. Before you go, don't forget to check out one of these videos. They're sure to help you on your manifestation journey.